All right, so we got a 2018 Toyota Camry here. We're going to throw a set of windshield wipers on it. We'll show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Toyota Camry. There's a longer one and a shorter one.
Yeah, and this one's a 26-inch.
So it should go on the
So we're
driver's
just going
side.
to match them up first. Okay, we matched them up.
So you have to
Just gave it a little knock down. Oh, yeah, the funky. Oh, there it goes. It's got a locking thing on the top.
All right, so what did you have to do to release it?
So there's a locking clip on the top that we had to pop this off, and then we were able to get it off.
So we get the new wiper, and you should be able to hook it.
And just, there it is.
Yeah, they're a little bit different than these.
There it is. So
right.
This one's a little different. This one has this little lever right here, and we had to push down on this tongue.
Yep.
And to get it to slide back.
Okay. So you had two different wipers on there, huh? Kind of?
Yeah, it's just the way the brand went. So this new one here, you should be able to just slide this on and get it to lock.
Okay, so you just basically slide it through the hook and tug it.
It's more work to get them off, but this one had a different clip and they're all different, unfortunately. And this one we had to push it down to get it to unlock. But
yeah, it's all in that little clip, guys. Once you got to fiddle with that clip to release them, and then you pull it towards you, and it'll release out of that arm. That's what we have to do to release the old wipers off your wiper arms, and we'll swap the new ones in.